Good day everyone. Today our group will discuss the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. Classification of dangerous cargoes based on their placards or markings. The IMDG code was developed by the International Maritime Organization to ensure the safe transportations of dangerous goods by sea. It provides guidelines on how hazardous materials should be packaged, labeled, handled, and transported on ships. Placards and markings are very important because they help identify the type of dangerous cargo inside a container. These placards use symbols, colors, and numbers to indicate the hazards of the cargo, which help the crew, port workers, and emergency responders handle them safely. In this report, we will identify the different IMDG code classification of dangerous goods based on their placards.
First, we have Class 1, the explosives. These are substances or articles that can explode and cause damage to life and property. Examples include fireworks, ammunition, and blasting agents. Second is Class 2, the gases. This class includes gases that are compressed, liquefied, or dissolved under pressure. It has three divisions: 2.1 flammable gases, 2.2 non-flammable, non-toxic gases, and 2.3 is toxic gases. Third is Class 3, flammable liquids. These are liquids that can easily catch fire. Examples include gasoline, alcohol, and paint thinners.
Next is Class 4 flammable solids. These are substances that can easily ignite through friction or heat and clouds. 4.1 flammable solids. 4.2 substances liable to spontaneous that emit flammable gases when with the. Then we have Class 5 oxidizing substances and organic peroxide. These are substances may not burn themselves but can cause of intensity fire by releasing oxygen. Subclass include 5.1 oxidizing substances, 5.2 organizing peroxide.
Next is Class 6, toxic and infectious substances. These substances can cause serious injury or death when inhaled, swallowed, or absorbed through the skin. It includes 6.1 toxic substances, 6.2 infectious substances. Another classification is Class 7, radioactive materials. These materials emit radiation and can be dangerous to human health and the environment.
Next is Class 8, corrosive substances. These substances can cause severe damage to living tissues and materials. Examples includes acids and strong chemicals. Lastly, Class 9, miscellaneous dangerous goods. These are substances that present hazard during transport but do not fit into the other classes. An example is lithium batteries.
In conclusion, the IMDG code classification help identify dangerous cargoes through placards and markings. These classifications are important to ensure the safe handling, storage, and transportation of hazardous materials at sea. By following these standards, accidents and environmental hazards can be prevented.